Are you tired of telling yourself, this month I'm finally going to save? But somehow, by the end of the month, your account balance is near zero again. You want to save and invest, maybe even build wealth. But every time money hits your account, it disappears. If that sounds like you, you're not lazy and you're not alone. Most of us were never taught the one principle that separates the financially free from the financially frustrated. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to shift your money mindset and start building smart financial habits that actually stick. If you stay with me until the end, you'll walk away with a simple yet powerful mindset shift and 3 actionable steps to help you finally start saving money, building wealth, and taking control of your finances. Let's get one thing straight. Saving isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you think. If your first move is always to spend and then try to save what's left, you're setting yourself up for struggle. Why? Because spending expands to fill the money available. It's called lifestyle creep, and it's silent but deadly to your financial future. But wealthy people, those with smart money habits, do the opposite. They follow the golden rule. Save first, spend later. They treat saving like a bill, a non-negotiable priority, not an afterthought. You don't wait to save what's left. You automatically save a fixed percentage right when money comes in, and then spend the rest guilt-free. That one habit changes everything. So why do most people fail, even when they want to save? 1. They have no system. They rely on willpower instead of automation. 2. They have no oversight or watch over their money. They don't track where their money goes when it just vanishes. 3. They do not have any financial goals. Hence, saving without a purpose feels pointless. And here's the truth no one tells you. Without a system, money slips through your fingers, no matter how much you make. Ready to take control? Here's a 3-step beginner-friendly system to build smart money habits starting today. As soon as your salary or income lands, move 10 to 20% into a savings or investment account. Automate it. Set up a standing order. Make it invisible. Even if it's just $20 a week, the key is to make it habitual, not heroic. Break your income like this. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, fun, dining, Netflix. 20% for your future, saving, investing, debt payoff. This simple framework builds balance and discipline without making you feel deprived. Forget tracking every coffee or snack. Just check one number. How much did you save or invest this week? It builds awareness, and awareness leads to change. Your mindset drives your money habits. If you grew up hearing things like, money is hard to come by, rich people are lucky, I'm just not good with money, then chances are your subconscious is wired to spend, not save. It's time to rewrite that script. Start telling yourself, I control my money, I pay myself first, I build wealth intentionally. Say it daily, act on it weekly, and watch how your behavior begins to align. Here's the real reason this matters. If you're in your 20s or 30s, time is your greatest asset. Every euro you save today has the power to multiply through compounding. Start small, stay consistent, and within a year you'll look back and thank yourself for starting when it felt hard. Don't wait until you're ready. Start messy, start small, just start. If this video helped shift your mindset or gave you clarity, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart investing and financial growth strategies. Drop a comment and let me know. What's one money habit you're going to start this week? You got this. This is Online Investment Compass, helping you invest smarter, one step at a time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.